Go. Hey guys, what's up? Camera Mom Creates here with my favorite tool, which is my Cricut machine. And when it comes to the Cricut, there's nothing I love more than some crazy hacks that will make life so much easier. And I went on TikTok. I've had some really awesome ones and I put them all together for you. I gave credit below, so please make sure to check out the accounts of all the fabulous women who provided the TikTok segments for me to include in the video. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can come back and give you some more.
Do you want to remove backgrounds from images real fast? Just watch. Go to remove.bg. Click upload image. Let's do this, Redbird. Then just download it. Open.
I just discovered something to make my life easier when I'm making Cricut designs, and that is my lint roller. So I just weeded this image and I have all these little pieces and I just roll over it a couple times and it's all stuck to it.
How to get Cricut images for free. Go into images, pick the image you want. As you can see, this one costs 99 cents. Tap on settings and then turn off the grid. You're going to screenshot and then crop. It will be a lot easier later on. Just watch and see. Save to your photos. Okay, now go to your library, upload the photo. Then you're going to take out all the white, leave just the black. And I actually ended up tapping smooth one time. And then I named it Tainbow. Just kidding, rainbow. And then refresh. There it is. Upload it. Insert. And there you go. Free image. No, you no longer have to pay 99 cents for.
Don't edit your calligraphy in Design Space. I'm going to show you an easier way. Don't do none of this. Don't do none of this. Yeah, that never works. Instead, do this. Go to a text editor, find your font, type it out, take a screenshot, go back to Design Space, upload that screenshot, edit the image, remove the white, save it as a cut image, add it, then shrink it to size, and there you go. You don't have to mess around with the font in Design Space.
Alright guys, so most of you guys use these Cricut pens to draw, but I'm going to show you a hack. Get some markers from the Dollar Tree. I got these. It comes in a pack of 4. And then get these grips. I also got these at the Dollar Tree. And now what you do is you cut it straight across like this. Then you're going to remove this piece from your Cricut. You're going to use the side that you want. Then you're going to wrap up your marker like this. You're going to insert it into your Cricut like this. You're going to set your Cricut to draw. And now you see, it works.
Alright guys, to remove vinyl from shirts, go ahead and put it on an iron. Make sure it's on your highest setting and remove it with a weeding tool or something similar to a weeding tool like scissors.